Hello and welcome to the another video of API development series. So far in our project, we have learned about API, their type and their working process. We have also installed required tools and modules for this project. In this video, we will see how to create REST endpoint using FastAPI. Whenever we are creating any kind of project, be it a software project, a data science project or a machine learning or AI project, where you want to provide your services to the end users, you need to create an endpoint from which the user can access the product services. So in this video, we are going to see how to build an API with FastAPI. Here are the topics which we will be covering in this video. The first is we will create configuration.py file and main.py file. Next, we will also discuss about HTTP verbs. Let's start by creating configuration file inside core folder to store our project settings and name it config.py. Next, we will create main.py file inside our project folder and we will write these lines of code. Now let's understand what we did. We have imported FastAPI from FastAPI and settings from config.py file. Then we created an instance of FastAPI and initialized it with title and project version. Now we can reference the app as a FastAPI class object and can use it to create routes. Then we have created a decorator along with FastAPI instance and HTTP verb get. The decorator is used to provide extra functionality to a function. In the decorator, slash is the home endpoint for our API. Next is get. Get is an HTTP verb that determines the functionality allowed for a request. In this case, get means a user may connect to the home root to retrieve some information. Similarly, we have more verbs like get, post, put, and delete. Let's have a brief overview about each of these HTTP verbs. Request using get should only retrieve data. The post method is used to submit an entity to a specified resources, for example, submitting a form. The put method is used to update the database table record. Finally, the delete method deletes the specific resource from the database. Now, it's time to start the Uvicorn server. To do that, type uvicorn main colon app hyphen hyphen reload in terminal. The hyphen hyphen reload flag is to tell Uvicorn to reload the application every time when we save any file of our project. Next, visit to the localhost at port number 8000 to see the JSON response at its endpoint. You will see the same message at the REST endpoint in JSON which we passed as a string in the app decorator. It brings us to the end of this lecture. So let's summarize the video first. In this video, we have created main.py file, configuration.py file. We have also learned about HTTP verbs and then we used Uvicorn to run the server and visited to the local host at port number 8000 to see the API response. This is all from this video. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.